Resetting your ADT sensor, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. Today, we're going to help you with a common issue, resetting your ADT sensor. ADT sensors are a crucial part of your home security system, and sometimes they might need a reset for optimal functioning. Don't worry, it's an easy process and we're going to guide you through each step. Let's get started.
Understanding why you might need to reset.
Before jumping into the process, it's important to know why you might need to reset your ADT sensor. This could be due to several reasons. The sensor isn't working properly. There's a need to change the settings. The sensor isn't communicating well with the control panel. Once you've identified the problem, you can proceed with the reset.
Preparing for the reset.
First and foremost, ensure your ADT system is disarmed. This step is crucial to avoid triggering any false alarms during the process. Next, locate your ADT control panel. This is where the majority of the reset process will take place.
Performing the reset.
Now, let's get into the meat of the process. 1. On your control panel, enter your master code. This is the code you use to arm or disarm your system. 2. Look for a button labeled Reset or similar on the control panel. If there's no such button, look for an option that allows you to manage or adjust sensors. 3. Select the sensor you wish to reset from the menu that appears. 4. Choose the Reset option. After this, the sensor should reset itself, and your control panel will confirm when the reset is complete.
Confirming the reset.
After the reset, confirm that your sensor is working as intended. You can do this by checking its status on the control panel, or by triggering it intentionally to see if it communicates with the control panel correctly. If it's not working as intended, you might need to reach out to ADT for professional assistance. And there you have it. Resetting your ADT sensor is a straightforward task that you can manage on your own. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or face any issues, don't hesitate to contact ADT support for help. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.